like the new stamps are here. Team Aztec and Team Tommy Cat. Let's see what they look like. Now we're talking. Oh, you can start a store with the Tommy Cat. Way better than the Aztec.
I'm here to introduce the Aztec stamp and to give you a couple reasons why you should join Team Aztec. First of all, the Aztec stamp is aerodynamically designed. By having this stamp on a disc, it will fly further and faster than it would normally. That is not guaranteed. Also, it's up against the Tommy Cat. Tommy Cats are a problem if you have cat allergies, like me. This disc with the Aztec stamp is completely allergy-free. Thank you for listening.
Hey guys, Dylan here. I'm here to introduce you to the Tommy Cat stamp. Way better than the Aztec stamp. Here's some reasons. I mean, all I have to say is Aztecs are history, and history is boring. Plus, who doesn't like a cat with a machine gun?